Hello, good morning. This is FLCT Unit 4, Lesson 1, RVL-10, and it was entitled Methods and Strategies in Learner-Centered Teaching. So in here, it was tackled about approach, method, strategy of teaching, and technique. So under approach, says there that set of collaborative assumption about the nature and it is subjective that have a different approach. So next one is the method, which is practical implementation of an approach, and the most relative example of this are lecture, demonstration, discussion, and also with simulation or laboratory, also with symposium. Those are the things that are examples of method and so on. Next one is a strategy of teaching. So it refers to a science of developing a plan to attain goal and guard against undesirable results. So using psychological plan in order to lessen their failure, and strategies can be grouped into exposition and individual. And the last one is technique, which is personalized style by carrying on a particular step. Like for example, the concrete strategy used by a teacher in in having lecture to his her student. Next one is the inductive methods of teaching. So in inductive method teachings, it needed to collaborate classroom teaching that is uses authentic tasks and problem solving to make learning real, and learner need to learn what is or what they want to learn, and also need to challenge their knowledge. So under inductive method of teaching, it in here it was said about inquiry based learning or IBL, and IBL is learners are presented which is presented with challenges, and a question is being answered. Next one is discovery learning or DL. Learner have a freedom to carry out a problem, and in here um, um, in that way rather they will use their creativity in doing a task. So that is discovery learning or DL. So let's move on the next one, which is the problem based learning, which is they can work in as a teams, and learner will have the decision in coming up solution on the problem. And the last one is project based learning and hybrid, and it was said that demanding, and there are many what is require 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 in fulfilling this method. So these are the method and strategies in learner-centered teaching. So as a future teacher, I can say that it is very important to learn about this thing, because I could apply it on which I can teach to my student, and it's a great thing also because it would be my stand to have an idea on how will I put up a lecture to my student on how will I adopt strategies and techniques to give them ideas on what I want to give learnings in in a specific subject. So that would be all. Thank you.